During the Precambrian, the green algae evolved a number of traits which would be important for land plants, such as chlorophyll A and B, and a number of features, especially in the Charophyta group. They then form the sister group of modern plants. With the evolution of a cuticle to protect from water loss, multicellular structures to protect the sporophyte, openings to allow gas exchange. These evolutionary advances allowed the green algae to become land plants, and it is thought that primitive land plants existed in the Cambrian, and that the modern bryophytes like liverworts and mosses are similar to those ancestral forms. By the Silurian period, vascular tissue, cells called tracheids, allowed for the movement of water, and thus plants could grow tall. And there are a number of primitive vascular plants alive today, such as whisk ferns and horsetails, which are thought to be descended from these Silurian ancestral vascular plants. By the early Devonian, leaves had evolved, both the microphylls of lycopods, which have a single strain of vascular tissue running through them, and then the branched vascular tissue of the larger leaves typical of ferns, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. So by the Devonian period, vascular tissue entered true leaves and roots, and ferns are descended from these ancestors. And by the end of the Paleozoic era, seeds had evolved. Now, some seeds did evolve in ferns, but seed ferns are now extinct, and the first gymnosperms are known from the Permian period and the first conifers from the Triassic period. So true seeds existed from this point. The first flowering plants are known from the middle of the Jurassic period in the Mesozoic era, and the vast majority of modern plants are flowering plants or angiosperms today.